Welcome to my channel Soap Nation DIY. Here I will teach you how to make handcrafted soaps. We'll try and make it as easy as possible. So today we'll be making shea butter and rose petal soap. So for that we need 100 grams of glycerine soap base and 100 grams of shea butter soap base. You can get it online. I have ordered it from Amazon. You would need 2 teaspoons of almond oil and 1 teaspoon of rose powder. This again I have ordered from Amazon. So firstly what we do is we melt our soap bases. So there are 2 ways of melting the soap bases. Either you put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and melt it, or else we can use a double boiler method. That is this. We put a pan, put water in it, let it boil, and we put another vessel in it and we put our soap base inside it. So we waited to get boiled. It'll get boiled, it'll get melted very quickly. We usually also use essential oils in it, but today since we are using rose powder, which itself is pretty fragrant, we need not use any essential oil. Rose powder would be an excellent toner, an excellent moisturizer. It has anti-inflammatory properties. So also shea butter, it has anti-inflammatory properties. It's a very good hydrant. It conditions, tones and soothes your skin. So as soon as it is melted, as you can see, get it close. We have our mold here. So we pour our soap base into the mold. Now I will not be making it full, just half of it, right? Then we put the same utensil again and we put the other base for melting. This is the transparent one. We should see to it that it doesn't get too hot, because then our soaps will not come out to be as expected. So as soon as it just about melts, just get it off the flame. You'll be getting the soap bases in chunks, so it is better that you cut it into small pieces so it will melt quickly. It wouldn't take more than 2 minutes for it to melt. If you want to make the soap base at home, you can do it, but then that again is a very tedious and a pretty dangerous process to be done at home. So I suggest you get a ready-made soap base, which is easily available online or wherever in the market. So as you can see, our soap base has melted, and now we add our almond oil to it. And we add our rose powder to it. So this will give us fragrance also, and will give us color as well. So here you can see see to it that the entire contents are properly melted, otherwise we'll get chunks in our soap. We don't want that to happen, so it should be properly melted. As you can see, our rose powder has turned green, and now we put it here. You can try and play around with the design. So empty the entire content in it. You can use a chopstick or whichever stick that you want to use for just playing around with the design. And that's it, we are sorted. Now we just leave it aside to set. So these silicone molds, you can again get it online from Amazon. I have bought it from Amazon. You can get it from Flipkart or wherever you find it feasible. So now we let it just set. It'll take about an hour to a couple of hours, and then we will unmold the soap. So I hope you liked my video. So if you liked it, please like the video and please subscribe to it. Alright, so it's been past 2 hours and our soap seems to be completely settled. So we demold it now. Just a push from below, and here it is. So our shea butter, rose powder and almond oil soap is ready to be used. Similarly, we remove the other one. Here it is. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.